What's up everyone and welcome to you on the Moonsharts YouTube channel. Hope that you're all doing very well as always. Happy New Year to you, by the way. Didn't record any update since Christmas if I'm mistaken. So yeah, Happy New Year. Wish you really all the best health. This is the most important. If you don't have health, you cannot do anything. Nothing can follow. So really, if you get health, that's perfect. Okay, but anyway, yeah, wish you also of course success in trading, success in your life, everything, clearly the best for you. Okay. But yeah, so here we have planned, if you remember good, 5 ways to the downside. Okay, 5 ways to the downside with a possible short trade here. This is how it played. We just hit that target to almost the dollar and got a retracement for almost 9 days. That's pretty cool. So yeah, this is very insane. After we plan for these 5 ways to the downside, this is just pretty crazy. We can now remove this, and yeah, by the way, it was on Twitter right there. Yeah, this was before, as you can see here, with the wave 3, 4, 5. Okay, and so that was after with the wave 4. The wave 4 personally placed it here and the wave 5 here, but it was just to show this. The target we have planned here just played perfectly. We got a very nice short trade of this. And yeah, that's pretty cool. So from here, now as always, if we have more likely a 5 ways down, what we can look for and what we planned is simply an impulsive to the downside. Okay, so we're going to take a wave 1 right there, a wave 2, 3, 4, 5, or an ABC zigzag, depending as always if that's an ending, okay, to the downside, or an impulsive. Again, if you want to get some more details about all of this, you just have to go on the mooncharts.fr website. You can just create an account for free and you will get absolutely everything. You will be able to learn and start your learning with some really strong Elliott wave base. Clearly you have the belly Elliott waves, so basic Elliott waves are here to really understand Elliott waves as max as possible, clear to really understand the very beginning of Elliott waves, not the history, of course, we don't really care, just how it works. Then you're going to use the Fibonacci relation, so how to use an extension tool, a retracement tool on the wave. Clearly, what person do we use, everything clearly you have to know. In addition to this, I'm starting and giving you for free here the ABC flat and ABC zigzag, so you're going to be able to know the targets, the smaller wave, the everything, how to play the extension tool, everything about these two patterns here. The most basic one, if we can say that, ABC zigzag is the most basic one, ABC flat a bit less likely, but anyway. So yeah, also ABC patterns clear with Elliott waves. So really do not hesitate to go and check this out on the website. And now if you want to get some more content with the order flow, exo charts, Elliott wave, where you have some quiz, you have some more content than only ABC zigzag. You have the ABCD triangle, leading, ending, Elliott wave, and the RSI to find the wave, and then have some quiz on every single pattern so you can test your knowledge. And even some updates every single day. You just have to go in the plan section here and check for the VIP or apprentice upgrade. Otherwise, you can absolutely join for free. You have some course waiting for you for free on the website. So yeah, here to the downside, ABC zigzag if we're in an ending. Okay. Otherwise, if we're in a bigger impulsive to the downside here, what we can look for is simply a bigger impulsive in the wave 3. Okay. So for the moment, we're going to take an impulsive. Okay. So I'm not going to work on the target today. On the wave 3 or 5 here to the downside is not really useful for the moment. We're really going to focus on the wave 2 retracement. Okay, as always, a wave 2 has 73% chance to retrace between the 50 and the 61866%. Again, we have 73% chance. We can still retrace before, we can still retrace after. It's just probabilities. Okay, this is extremely important to understand. At the moment now, we are between the 50 and the 61866%. Okay, to add a bit more confluence, I can now remove this by the way. What we can do here, just we have a more likely a correction here. Okay, so what is this correction? It's simply more likely a double XY. You have two different configuration, W top here or top here. If you want to get more details, you have this in the VIP updates. I'm not going to cover this today because I don't want to make it too long, this update. But it's so double XY, okay, with what we have planned in the VIP live stream on Sunday. This possible 1, 2, 3 or 5 leading with a smaller way of an ending, by the way. And so here in that case, if we're in a Y leg, we look for an A, BC, because we cannot finish a Y leg with an impulsive or a leading or an ending. It's not possible. We have to get a correction. So here, if I have 5 ways, it cannot be a bigger 1, 2, 3 or 5 because we cannot finish a Y leg with 5 ways. So it's a A, BC zigzag. Again, you have everything here on the website. You have the Elliott wave course right there, the free course. You have the ABC flat and ABC zigzag. So you're going to get some more informations about this. And yeah, so here 1, 2, 3 or 5. Okay, so I'm just going to place wave really quickly. Oops, great hidden. By the way, if you enjoy the content, if you're learning, and if you're 5 here, yeah, I mean, just if you enjoy the content, don't forget to smash that like, subscribe to the channel, to turn on notifications. This is extremely important, just to show the support clearly. So I can see you just enjoy the update, enjoy the trade. For example, we planned the last update, everything. So yeah, really do not hesitate to smash a like, subscribe, and yeah, to turn on notifications if you want to get noticed, by the way. So here, 5 ways to the upside. So A, B, C zigzag. Okay, so another 5 ways to the upside right here for the C wave. What we can do here to add some more confluence for the wave 2 is simply to add a bigger WXY target. So from the W root to the W top, or here it's really up to you. Okay, to the X wave bottom. Again, you get some more informations on the website absolutely for free. You have this for free on the website. Just 2 seconds, please, because what we are getting here. All right. Anyway, so I'm going to remove this right there. By the way, yeah, this is an order flow. You can also learn it on the website every single day, live with you every morning with VIPs to teach you how to read this. And so yeah, I mean, you can make decisions on if you have or not to take a trade. This is absolutely crazy, right? You can say, okay, data are bad, I do not take any trade here, or the data are good, I'm going to take a trade. So what we can see here, now we have the 123, okay, of this WXY, so that's the third target. 123 with a 50%, as you can see here, and then we have right there the 1618 maximum target with a 618 66%. So this is the first target, this is the second target where we have to look for trades. The only thing you have to do here is just to read the order flow. So this is an order flow. You just have to read this data and make decisions by the data you're going to get. If this is good, we take a trade. If it's not good, we do not take a trade. We just remain patient and wait for some better data to come or for the next target. Okay, that's why we plan targets. I'm not saying you have to short here, you have to short here. If there is nothing good for a short trade here, there are just no trades. If there is nothing good for a short here, there is just, again, no trade. Okay, in that case, we can just look for the 7x6. By the way, I'm going to, yeah, 7x6, but anyway. But these are the 2 main targets, and so this is the most probable, again, if we're in a wave 2, the most probable zone where we normally should reverse if we're in a wave 2. Okay, now the thing you have to be aware of is if you go, for example, on the 2 hours, so this is still valid, by the way, on the 1 hour here, okay, as you can see here, because again, the RSI is something that is going to help you to find a wave. I'm not trading the RSI, I'm just getting the RSI to help me to play the wave, to find a wave and everything. Again, you have everything on the website. Right here, Elliott Wave and RSI for VIPs and apprentice. But here, as always, on the RSI, the wave 2 cannot break the wave 1 route. Okay, same as it cannot break the wave 1 route on the real chart and the real price. Okay, but the thing is now, if you just go on a bit of a bigger time frame, so 3 hours, for example, here, as you can see, boom, we start to break the wave 1 route. Okay, again, 4 hours here, that is still valid, by the way. Now if we start to go on a bit of a bigger time frame, 8 hours, for example, boom, we have broken the wave 1 route. Again, 12 hours daily time frame, we also break, as you can see, here's the wave 1 route. Here again on a daily time frame, we also start to break the wave 1 route. So this is something to be aware of, a possible invalidation. In that case, if we really get an invalidation here, we're going to update everything. For the moment, just wanted to show this. Yeah, this is a more likely, if we have to change something to a less probable, all of this, you know, okay, we're going to do it. But for now, so this is the plan, really. Okay, now of course you can use exo charts right here to add some levels. For example, here's the naked sessions, the TPO, the day naked path control. You can use this to add some more confluence to these targets and to find some more accurate targets. For example, we have a TPO a bit above here, so we can also go a bit above here, okay, and then retrace. That's why this for example, a time path control, this is a TPO. Yeah, you can use all of this clearly to get some stronger targets. Okay, but these are the 2 main targets where you have to look for something clearly. Okay, and yeah, I mean, I think that's all really. By the way, if you want to change your broker, your trading platform, because I know, I mean, I'm a Bybit trader normally, but it's time to not be in a good position, if you can say that. They laid off 30% of their employees. And yeah, a lot of exchange now start to be a bit bad, not gonna lie. So that's why I move it, not everything, on PRIMEXBT and on BitGet, okay, at the moment. If you want to get some bonus, clearly, so you just have to make a deposit. For example, you're going to get up to $100, and in addition to this, up to $8,000. So 2 deposit bonus on BitGet. So if you use the link in the description, in addition to this, you are going to be able to get 20% fee off on the fees. When you're trading, you know, you pay fees when you open a trade, so you're going to get 20% off on the fees. Sounds pretty crazy, you know what I mean? For trading, this is pretty good to get 20% off. So if you want to get all of these bonus, do not hesitate to go and check the link in the description. You have to create an account on the platform, and then you just enjoy clearly. Okay, it's the only thing you have to do. And if you want to go on PRIMEXBT, you can get it's 7,000 just by creating an account by using the link in the description, and to add the code on your account next. Yeah, so some really good bonus I try to get really the best of the best, so you can really enjoy trading even more. And yeah, so yeah, this is what we can plan right now. You know exactly what we can look at right now, more likely with the Elliott Waves. If you want to get some more details with all the small wave and everything, you know what to do. You can go on the Discord, on the website here, and go in the plan section here. You're gonna get some more informations. For example, this is with VIPs. I just said, for example, swing third pound if we get the shorts. I send the 10-second chart here because we got the shorts on the 10-second chart, and so boom, we got a very, very nice, I mean, a small move to the downside for a scalp. Okay, and from here you just said, hey, can be a take profit if we start to get some longs off it, and we got longs off it. So I personally took 75 and even a bit more, by the way, % profit of my short here, and boom, stop loss on 3. I got stop it out on 3. I took profit, refunded my fees, made money, and so I didn't took any loss because I got stop it out on 3. So this is pretty cool. And so now you're just saying what they have to do. I mean, what I'm looking at clearly next. So all in real time, you know exactly what I'm looking for. I'm also sending sometimes the data, clearly the data are really good or not. I'm also sending you and letting you know clearly the data. So yeah, I'm letting you know really everything. And yeah, so if you want to get all of this with some, by the way, I did some analysis on XRP, Solana, which one it was? Yeah, it was US, XRP, Solana, Ethereum, Tamadodge also. Yeah, we got some crazy stuff. And it's all on the website. For example, here XRP, you get also Solana here. Oh shit, anyway, Solana here. Yeah, I mean, you get all these updates here. For example, Solana, we planned a possible short trade, a possible short setup. Now we just have to wait, remain patient, wait for the target to be hit, and wait for, yeah, the good reaction clearly. Okay, this is the only thing we'll have to do now. So if you want to get all this content, as always, this is on the website. You have to go in the plan section here. Check this out. You can absolutely join this for free. It's absolutely free. Also, you have some course, some few courses on the website. You have all the beginner course, all the Elliott Wave for free courses on the website. You have all of this to really get some strong base in trading and to really master the chart next. Okay, and of course, if you want to get some more, this is a apprentice upgrade or the VIP upgrade if you want to get even more with the VIP upgrade. Okay, but anyway, I wish you all a brilliant day. As always, don't forget to smash that like, subscribe to the channel, to turn notifications. It's extremely important if you enjoy the content, because yes, we'll have planned a very, very, very nice short trade. Yeah, that played for 9 days. I mean, this is pretty courageous. Yeah, this was a gift for Christmas. Clear, just planned short, and we just hit almost to the absolute dollar for 9 days from, yeah, around Christmas to the New Year. Clearly, boom, all the period where you're maybe in Paris or with the family and everything, boom, for 9 days you're just to open a short, you take a short, and you just enjoy. You don't have to do nothing else. Clearly, this is pretty cool, right? So yeah, if you enjoy the content, you know what to do. Don't forget to subscribe, to write some comments down below if you want to. And yeah, wish you all the best, as I said, for this new year. Take care of you. This is extremely important. And yeah, see you all in the next one. Have a nice day. Cheers.